Alright, this is the 5th time or something that I've tried to film this video. I wanted to sit down to share with you how things have been going. I'm sick of putting it off, so we're just gonna film it on the go. I'm filming this video after we had played our game against Bond. So far in the season, I've been playing 3rd grade. We've been improving every week, and that last game against Bond was our first win. How good. While I'm here, the first thing I can tell you is that so far in the season, not only has our team been building, but also my personal gameplay is improving little by little. If you're new here, something to note is that I grew up playing rugby, but I took a long gap from high school until last year. When I did return last year, unfortunately I had to deal with a lot of other injuries. Anyway, I'm finally getting game time this year. Any game time's good. It's a chance to improve, so that's what's been happening. Whenever there's game footage available, I would always watch it back, count my tackles, missed tackles, ball carries, and then just take note of other things that happened. So far in our draw, we've faced against Souths at Souths. Then we went to Brothers, away at Brothers. We played against Jeeps, again away at Jeeps. And then we had our first home game against Norths. Another home game against Wests before playing the game that just happened down at the Gold Coast against Bond. A lot of away games to start off the season. In the second half of the draw, we'll be getting all our home games then. So let's break down our games round by round. I got it. Round 1 against Souths. Very wet game. It was raining the whole week leading up to it, and so their poor field still haven't recovered from that, and it might take a long while until their field's back to normal or back to a state where they can play on. It was a very muddy game. Tough loss. We really should have won, and we could have won, but now that it's been a few weeks since that game, I don't really remember a lot of what happened. All I remember is that I got yellow carded for the first time in my life. Can't believe it. Got yellow carded for the first time. I should have brought my tripod. All right. So that was round 1. In round 2, we were facing Brothers. Now, this is another away game. In this game, we played at night, which was different. The game started well. We were controlling the tempo really well, especially in the first half. And then in the second half, Brothers caught us with their game plan. Won't talk about it much, but they got us. Round 3 was our bye. No game in round 3. So then that was a whole 2-week break for us. After the bye was the Easter break. So 2 weeks, no games. And it was probably then where my routine went off track. And coming into round 4, I was a bit heavier. Hadn't been doing the same fitness regime. Was definitely puffing more than usual in this game against Jeeps. This game was an away game. Round 4, another disappointing loss. We had thrown away so many opportunities to score. Up until this round, I was keeping track of my training, and then when there was footage, I was counting my stats. After this round against Jeeps, I sort of stopped tracking everything. After Jeeps, we had first home game against Norths, 45-all. You can tell by the scoreline that defense was an issue. We let in lots of points. They let in lots of points. And then the week after that, in round 6, we played Wests at home. This was a tough one. They piled on the points in the second half. Right from the beginning, the first thing I noticed was how deep they were setting their attack. The score says enough. Round 7. A game where everything we'd been working on came together really well. Scoreline right up here on the screen, 33-24. And that's exactly what comes from what I just mentioned before. The connection's been building. Hopefully, it can keep on going throughout the whole season. Our next game coming up is against East in round 8, but I'm going to be unavailable in this game. Once we've played East, we will only have one more game left in the first half of the season against UQ. After that, the second half of the season will begin, where we face every single team one more time. I'm thinking I should do a matchday vlog when we get to UQ. Not only because it's a beautiful university, but because it's the last match of the first half of the season. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching this one, guys. Have a good one.